Welcome back to Life at Z. We are headed on our next adventure.
The Disney Dream on New Year's Eve.
Typically, we would already be in Florida. However, there were no straight direct flights until this afternoon. So this should be quite a different experience for us at the airport because we're used to being there at 4 a.m. and it'll be like midday. Yeah. So hopefully it goes smoothly. Come along and join us for the ride. It's 12 o'clock and we have arrived at the airport and got the best parking spot. Right off the walkway. Across the bridge. Right into the terminal. We like to go drop off our checked bags to the curbside check-in. So we walk right in to the terminal and walk right back out. We always find this to be the easiest. And now we're gonna have to pay for our luggage for the first time with Southwest, huh? From the parking to our gate was like 20 minutes. There really was barely anyone in the airport. It was not crowded at all. And now we are headed towards the plane. We made it to Fort Lauderdale an hour and 13 minutes from New Orleans. Zoe is our guide, and she is getting us to baggage claim at the Fort Lauderdale airport. I believe he said number 6.
That was easy.
Yeah, so it's pretty easy because it's literally right here.
It's Zoe, and we are staying at the Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina in the West Villa. This is the tour of room 2221.
Hey, welcome to our crib. Here is the little foyer area. It's a little small.
A little tight,
but it's fine.
It works.
Here is our bathroom. We have oh, that door swings back. So
yep,
watch out.
It does.
We have a tub shower combination.
I got it with my phone.
And it even has like a little rainfall shower head.
And it's adjustable.
Yes, and it comes with shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel.
Is it like body wash? Or
yes.
Sort of.
Mm-hmm. And then we have one sink. Oh, this is, what is that? Oh, I've never seen a handle like that.
I want to try it. That's cool.
And we have our Crabtree and Evelyn bath soap. Some tissues.
Ooh, what's this little button do?
Oh, it dims the lights.
Dims the lights.
Oh,
Doesn't work when you do it.
I don't have the magic touch.
You try. Well, it's
And then
fine.
we have plenty of towels and storage underneath the sink, as well as a hair dryer.
And then the most glorious part, toilet. Oh, okay. Guess we're calling it that now.
Well, it has multiple names. Across from the bathroom is a closet.
With lots of
So
storage.
hangers, there's a shelf, an ironing board, and then some more storage. We have 2 beds in our room. Zoe's bed
Yeah.
and our bed.
Cool.
We have lamps. I like that they have the USB. There's 2 there, and then 2 regular outlets. A phone.
The remote.
A remote.
To the TV.
1 drawer for storage. And then we have like a little coffee maker.
Oh, that is actually kind of cool.
And now we have another pull-out. And that's that on that side. We have 3 drawers. And here's our mini cooler. It is designed to keep non-perishable items chilled.
So cute.
Our TV. We have a little table and chair on this side.
Chair.
Ice maker. I mean, not ice maker.
No.
Ice bucket. We have an ice
Shelf.
bucket. A shelf.
Pretty lamp.
Another lamp with USB and a regular outlet. And then we have 1 additional chair, seating area over here. And if you were traveling with another party and you needed a connecting room, there's an adjoining door.
And then
And here's our balcony.
It's Zazzy.
The man of the hour. We have a pretty spacious balcony with 2 chairs, and we are overlooking the marina. So they have a lot of yachts out here. And off in the distance is the pool area.
Yep, way up there.
I am solo for the nightly recap. They are getting settled in and we're winding down for the evening because it's a little late. Being that we didn't leave New Orleans until almost 3 o'clock actually. By the time we got to the hotel, because of all the traffic after our Uber picked us up, when we finally got to dinner, it was somewhere between 7:30 I think and 8 o'clock, which is really late for us. We ate at Olive & Sea, which is the restaurant located in the hotel, and it was a nice experience. However, the service was a little slow. I'm not really sure if they were understaffed or if there was something else going on. We didn't even really meet a waiter. The manager was the one that came to the table a couple of times to fill up our water, and then our food showed up eventually. So it was a little strange, but it is what it is. So something I want to mention about the ride share area at the airport. We went to the area where it said letter Z, and there were stations 8 through 15 there. When you first get to that area, it's a little overwhelming because it's extremely crowded and compact near like the first numbers. just keep walking. Like we walked to number 11 and there was barely anyone back there. So yeah, that way don't necessarily just stop and stay in the first area that you see. It doesn't mean you're going to get picked up first. But there was a lot of traffic at the airport, so it made for a longer wait. And then to get out of the rideshare area, out and about into Fort Lauderdale, it took quite a little while. Once we got away from the airport, then, I mean, we were at the hotel in like 7 minutes. Like it was that quick. We are excited about tomorrow. We actually requested, I forgot that we did this through our travel agent. We did request a room on a higher floor facing the harbor, I believe, so that we could see the ships. But we did not get that. Now we are facing the harbor and the marina, but we're on the second floor. Yeah, we're on the second floor in our building. And so I'm hoping in the morning maybe we can see a little something, because it's already dark outside. By the time we got to the hotel, it was dark, so we couldn't really see past like what was in front of us. We are looking forward to this awesome adventure this week and cannot wait to celebrate New Year's Eve on the ship, because we've never done that before. So that'll be something completely new to us, and so we'll kind of have that to compare to Christmas week and see what we like better and what we might want to do in the future. So yeah, thanks for joining us on this shorter travel day as compared to other series, but we can't wait to share all the fun things. Bye.